Yes, man, the recovery, the recovery.
I know I look fairly ratchet, but it's not my fault. It's his fault.
No, not my fault. How me get to this?
His fault.
Yeah, but they be him, right?
This guy, Rocky. Alright. This was our tour guide. This was our tour guide on the zip line a while ago. This guy's name is Rocky. He tried to kill me 4 different times. 4 different times he tried to kill me. Right?
That's a lie.
If you're just joining us, right? This is what I look like after I started to look nice and pretty before we started ziplining. My hair was in order. I wasn't sweating. I had a little lip gloss on my face, on my mouth and stuff.
Lip gloss,
right? My clothes were not so disheveled, right? It was on my face and my mouth. And now all there is sweat.
Herman, come here, Herman.
Herman started us off on the zip line. And this guy tried to kill me.
Next time, tell them not to come with me. Tell them not to come with me.
Okay.
Alright?
I'm still shaking, right? We just came off the zip line. There were 4 different zip line things.
You're gonna need CPR, okay?
I'm gonna need CPR. Because Rocky tried to kill me 4 different times.
Excuse me.
4 different.
Excuse me, live.
Pauline from Scotland. Pauline from Scotland. I can't even talk properly.
Kelly volunteered. She asked. She wanted to do.
That's not the point.
She begged and screamed. She wanted the zip line and she wanted.
Grace, Andrina.
And so all complained.
He
tried
tried
back to her.
to kill me
4
times. Yeah, that's Herman.
People all around the world are watching.
Somebody's there from Scotland. This is
Chukka
Chukka Good Hope.
For an amazing, exhilarating experience. Khalib screamed from start to finish. She bawled like a baby. Well done. Well done. She screamed from start.
I did not scream.
She thought it was a fear.
I was just trying to make sure that you could hear me as I was describing what was going on the live that I hope was still streaming, right? But anyway, this is Rocky. Tried to kill me 4 times.
No man, this is Herman.
This is Herman. Tried to kill me. Aided and abetted in the murder 4 times. Other guy, what's your name again? Nazir was aiding and abetting. Okay. Alright, so Sexy Man. Is that say bye, Rocky? Say goodbye,
everyone.
Oh my god. Sean, where's my water? Who's keep my water? Alright, guys. I'll be back. Oh my god. You drank my water? Yes, please, thank you. Oh my god, God bless you. So guys, I just came off the zip line and it wasn't pretty. It was scary. I did a bad thing. I got myself a rope burn. It was my fault. I hope I don't remember it, because when I tell you, it was absolutely scary. Alright, so David, Sexy Man is about to sign up for the river. You gonna river too?
If you want me to, but I thought we just wanted to get the things done timing wise. Remember,
yeah, we have 2 hours.
No, hour and a half before they close.
Did we get the ATV?
No, no.
We didn't get it.
We don't get it.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
So we don't get a confirmation yet. So you went to the Great House tour, right?
Yeah. After that experience, I think I should do the Great House tour.
Yeah, man, I'm going, man.
So you know one day.
I don't mind the river tube, you know, but you in the video me the river tube?
I guess so.
I can make sure this
Alright, so
do you have a?
persons for the river tube.
You have the clear case for the phone thing?
Yes, it's selling
in
in the
there?
gift shop.
Do we want to get one of those and you put the phone in there?
No, I'm gonna need it. I'm not gonna put the phone in the water.
Why? So aren't you gonna live stream this?
It's a wet tour. It's a wet tour.
Yeah.
So I need my bathing suit then.
You can live stream. You can live stream.
So you can just wear a shirt.
No, ma'am,
They want the people want to see Sexy Man on his speedo.
yeah, I don't have a problem with the speed of the seeing her. I have to go and get it because I'm not doing the speed now.
So and you can put the phone in. You can put the phone in the case, and then you can live stream the tube.
How much for the kid?
I'm not sure, you'd have to go by the gift shop.
All right, guys, let's do a poll. This is Good Hope Chukka. So let's do a poll. Do we want David to do the live stream? Yeah, go for it anyway. Do we want? All right. So it looks like we're gonna do that. There's a $20 in the front pocket of my green bag. Yeah, but I need the plastic tube, the plastic case for the phone. There's a $20 in there. Did you steal it? You hear me, David? There's a $20 in my bag, so we can get the plastic case for the phone. Huh? Oh, all right, David said he's rich. So this Angela, thank you so much for asking. While I'm drying off, you have a napkin I can dry off myself. I look like a galio. Thank you. All right, that's good. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry, I'm looking so ratchet. I try and get myself back to some level of decency. All right. Whew. All right, so let me get myself into the light. So if you're just joining, Angela Cornwall, we are at Chukka, Good Hope. Good Hope Estate, Good Hope. I don't remember what kind of Good Hope this is. Oh, Pauline. I'm sorry, I'm just overwhelmed with this craziness. I just came off of the zip line at this Chukka tours, I guess. They have zip lining, they have river tubing. So Sexy Man is actually changing his clothes. He's gonna put on the Speedo and go into the water in the river tube. If you heard screaming, don't tell anybody about it, please. That was very embarrassing. I thought it was gonna be a breeze, a walk in the park. Apparently this was not to be the case. So thank you, Sandra Chinbro. I hope you got a good laugh because it was very disturbing. Wherever you're watching from in the world, please just go ahead and put where you're from so I can shout you out. All these tourists were here. I think they just came off the ATVs, which I would still love to try and do before the day is done. But let's do a little poll. So after David does the river, what do you call it? The river tubing? Okay, so after David does the river tubing, yeah, Sean is hilarious, I'm sure. Sean, I heard you laughing after me.
Me? I would not think like that.
Somebody just bust on you. They said that Sean is hilarious. You should have heard him laughing. I'm going to go back and watch the live afterwards. I couldn't hear, obviously, but I'm going to go back and watch the live afterwards because if he was laughing at me, he's out of order and should be boxed. Joshua Spencer from Toronto, thank you so much for tuning in. So we're trying to do a poll now. After David does, stop laugh after me. After David does the river tube, what should we do next? Okay, so the options are, hello Jennifer from Atlanta, Georgia. So the options are we can either do, what else we can do? We can do the estate tour, right? The challenge course is like some kind of, that's like Great American Ninja Warrior. All right, that's like a Ninja Warrior thing. I don't think neither me or David can manage that. So we might probably skip that one because they might see somebody die. What else? Challenge course and what else? The pool and the slide. So since Sexy Man is going to be already, yeah man, Sandra, you have to come and do it. What is box? Osiba McBean, you're not Jamaican. Box? Did I say something about box a while ago? What did I say? Oh yes, he does deserve a box. So a box is a slap. An open-handed, open-fisted slap. That's a box.
Or a crate with similar to a bag.
No, a crate with things in it is not a box. That's a crate. A box is an open-handed slap square across the face.
When you go back to foreign, you fill up a crate, a box.
Thank you, Sandra.
Send for me.
A box. Yeah. If you're in Jamaica, a box is a crate, right? Or something made of cardboard that you put things in. Joshua Spencer, you're welcome. Thank you for this live broadcast via Facebook. Hey man, this is what Jamaicans.com does. We bring it to you live only if you want it. Chris Hudson from Atlanta, thank you for for tuning in. No Osiba, I'm not going to put him in a box. I'm going to give him an open-handed slap across the jaw. Sandra Chin wants us to do the challenge course. Listen, if 5 people say challenge course, I will probably do the challenge course. I don't know if Sexy Man is going to try it. I'm sure he will. Somebody wants us to demonstrate the box. Can I box you?
Go and get a crate. You will have to get a crate.
I don't have a disclaimer. I don't have a disclaimer for Sean on the box. So if he had allowed me, I would do it. But he's telling me I can't box him. But box is basically like if somebody else is gonna box you, kind of like, sure.
We're still PG rated. You don't want
We're still PG rated, yes.
Oh, because I couldn't.
Lord have mercy. All right, I think that's 2 votes for challenge course. I have tears from, oh Lord. Sandro,
Sure,
you don't even know the half of it. Rocky is back? Rocky, you back? Oh, I should box him, right? I should box Rocky, right?
Box me the lips.
Ready? ready, Rocky? We're gonna do the box. Ready? Ready, Rocky?
Hold on, I'm going for me now.
Let me step.
Give me that. Cut off.
My hand.
All right. Hey.
Cut off.
Hey. Man, you touch up my left. Oh, okay. All right. No, did you sell our Flow? I think I'm on Flow. They're trying to charge me for the live, but I paid my bill. Oh God. All right, that's 3 votes for the challenge. Guys, you're not really. Nobody wants to see the Great House. Oh my God. All right, challenge course. 3 for challenge course. All right, yeah, man. Bye, Rocky. All right, so we have 3 votes for the challenge course. Can somebody please? All right, Jermaine from St. Lucia. I'm glad you're having a good time at our expense.
Jermaine from SLU?
From St. Lucia. From
SLU.
Is that SLU?
SLU.
Okay, from SLU. All right, so after Sexy Man comes off of the river tubing, I only have 3 votes for the challenge. Lord have mercy, another one. Oh God, you people are wicked and awful. Oh my God, you're awful. Another one for the challenge course. I don't know which part of St. Lucia. All right, so yes, somebody says Great House. Please give me 4 more votes for Great House because I don't know about this challenge course. I might die on the challenge. You don't want me to die, do you? Do you want me to die? You don't want me to die, right? I don't think anybody wants me to die. No, because I'm going to be in pain. Great House. Yay, I have 2 for Great House. 3 more for Great House. That's nice and boring. I mean, quiet. Do not say challenge. Don't say challenge. No. It's Great House. No, the Great House is nice and quiet and calm, full of history and knowledge and education, all that fun stuff. All right, 2 for Great House, 3 for Great House. All right, Great House, don't like that week. All right, 2 more for Great House. 4 for Great House. Thank you guys so much for keeping me safe. We have 4. All right, we're going to the Great House. Sorry, Sean. No challenge today. Womp womp.
You're smiling, eh?
Thank God. All right, guys. From Kenya. Ooh, Louis Silva. Ooh, Kenya. Oh God. All right, I think we're at 6 for challenge. 5 for challenge course, and 6 for Great House. Sorry, guys, Great House is still ahead.